Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm here to help you get the best haircut of your life. It all starts with good communication.
The single best thing you can do, bring a photo, or even a few. It gives us a clear visual of what you're looking for. Instead of saying short on the sides, try being more specific. Tell us the guard number you prefer, like a number 2 on the sides. If you don't know, no worries.
Let's talk fades. A low fade starts near your ear, a mid fade is a bit higher, and a high fade goes up towards the temple. A taper is a more natural, gradual blend down to the neckline. It's a great option for a clean, classic look that grows out really well.
Be honest about your hair history. Have you colored it? Used a relaxer? This information is crucial for us to know how your hair will react. If you're unsure about something, or if I'm cutting a bit too much, please speak up. We want you to be happy. A good barber will always be open to feedback during the cut. Coming in for regular cuts, usually every 3 to 6 weeks, helps maintain the shape of your haircut and keeps you looking sharp. It also helps us get to know your hair even better.
So there you have it, a few simple tips to make your next trip to the barbershop a huge success.